Chuck Crosby Law Office. Drew moved into a new house 6 months ago after selling his home in Jefferson County. He said he just last week received an email from Spectrum claiming that Drew had not returned some of the equipment that he had when he owned the home in Jefferson County to Spectrum. So Drew is saying he specifically brought the equipment in and he had a receipt for it, but it's been 6 months. He can't find the receipt. He's wondering, what can Spectrum do to him legally or financially if he doesn't return the equipment to Spectrum? Chuck.
That is not something I've ever really delved into, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
I assume that there's all sorts of fine print that say they can do everything from taking his firstborn to suing him for whatever. Will they actually do that is my question. Yeah, I'd just go back. They keep records. Everything's on the computer. He ought to be able to go back to where he brought the equipment in and then clear it up with them. It may be that this isn't Spectrum, too. I know buying a house here not too long ago, we would get mail from all manner of places that would look like, would claim to be insurance companies, would claim to be, mortgage companies, would claim to be utilities. So I'd verify it in the first place and then just tell them, look, I did take it back. Honestly, I think that would be a difficult case to proceed with. You didn't bring it back. Well, yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Okay, prove it.
Right. It's better than just rolling over. And you're right. It could be a scam or a phishing scam that's trying to get some money from you. Yeah.
Could be. But I'd go back to the place that you took the equipment and then have them look it up on the computer and then just get them to verify that it was done and have them correct the error.
Yeah. Good advice.